Previously on Sailing Telleroo, we set out to sail from Key West to Isla, Mujeres, Mexico, officially leaving U.S. waters. We pulled our anchor up, and with the wind in our favor on day one, we set sail and began this 3-day sea passage. In today's video, we continue onward to Mexico.
It has been said that the pessimist complains about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, the realist adjusts the sails. After an awesome first day of sailing, the winds changed to light and variable, so we rolled in the sails and motored toward a squall-filled horizon. As we continued westward toward Isla Mujeres, we saw 2 storm cells, one to port, one to starboard. There was a light area in between the cells. We first headed for the light area in between, but relying on my days of flying airplanes, I knew that this was often called a sucker hole because the 2 cells would likely merge together, catching you right square in the middle where you don't want to be. Since the system appeared to be moving from starboard to port, we deviated around to the starboard side.
But it's an adventure. It's not necessarily 100% comfortable, but adventurous, yes. And we're doing some more amazing, some more cool. So yeah, it's been raining a little bit off and on, so I've got this on. I'm also strapped in. Delilah is at my feet, strapped in. Shawn is taking a break for a minute because I got way more sleep than he did last night, and so he is trying to get in another hour at least of sleep so that tonight when watches start, we will be alert.
Ultimately, as it turned out later that night, it didn't much matter which direction we turned because we were in the eye of a storm system. We saw squalls with gusts as high as 38 knots of wind on our B&G wind meter. Setting sails in stormy, squally seas at night is less than ideal, so we left the sails rolled in and let our awesome Nayad plow us through it as we motored on. The next day at daylight, we still had high gusty winds and strong, churned up, and confused seas. Aristotle Onassis once said, "We must free ourselves of the hope that the sea will ever rest. We must learn to sail in high winds." So we let out our staysail storm headsail and just a sliver of mainsail to control the roll. Our strong Nayad did what it was meant to do and continued to plow us safely through the rough seas and constant winds of 25 to 27 knots.
We should be at our destination by in the morning. So it's about midday right now. The seas have calmed down in the last hour or so, but this morning they were still pretty freaking rough. We passed a couple of cargo ships. We are nearing the end. Yesterday evening, Shawn made some soup for us, so that was really good. That definitely coated the stomach, helped me get a little bit of rest. Yeah, I'm just chilling out here in the cockpit with Delilah. She is at my feet right now, and we don't have too terribly much longer to go. Just one more full night and the rest of today.
Later that evening, we carried on Johann's tradition from Ron sailing and enjoyed some tasty pasta bolognese on Teleroo. Arriving off the shoreline of Isla Mujeres gave us a feeling of accomplishment as we finished another passage and sailed into our first foreign country aboard Teleroo.
After 3 days at sea, we are now arriving. It is beautiful. The water looks stunning. Can't wait to check out the rest of it. But we are making our way in right now as we speak on our third day in.
After we got checked in with the dock master at the marina and got Telaroo tucked safely away in her slip, we then walked down to the pool bar and cafe to get a bite to eat and celebrate our passage from Key West to Isla Mujeres, Mexico.
Okay, you guys, so here we are in Isla Mujeres, Mexico. We made it, the first wave of our circumnavigation outside of the U.S., and we're here at the Marina Porto...
Isla Mujeres.
Yes, so let's cheers to that.
Cheers.
We are in Marina Porto, Isla Mujeres, at this beautiful pool, and we're having a little bite to eat. I got fish tacos. Shawn ordered us some ceviche. He got these shrimp tacos. We had the complimentary chips, and then some mango salsa for our tacos. We post brand new videos twice a week, so y'all be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Next time on Sailing Telaroo. Every bathroom that I've gone to here, I've always gone to the ladies' bathroom. There's no toilet seat.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Cheers to that, babe.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers, baby.